What's up guys, Ackeem here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and the review of this 3-in-1 wireless charger. So basically, as you guys can see right here in the box, we can charge cell phone, you can charge your watch, and you can charge your earpod. So basically a 3-in-1 wireless charger. So on the package, as you guys can see, it basically comes with a wireless charger, a 18-watt adapter, a user manual, a USB-A to USB-C cable. So that basically what comes inside the package. Basically show a little bit demonstration of how it basically used. So I'm going to unbox it now, let you guys see what's inside. So as you guys can see right here, the Hicober little paper right here. This is the brand of this product. So basically guys, right here we have our user manual for the wireless charger. So you can basically go through this to see the instruction and how it basically works. And right here guys, we have the USB cable, USB-A to USB-C cable, to the side. And guys, we have the charging adapter right here, and this is an 18-watt adapter, looking pretty neat. And guys, here we have the wireless charger right here. Let me unbox this gently. This is the wireless charger right here, as you guys can see. So basically folding right now. So you can basically pull it out like this. So you basically have a magnetic field which put it together. So guys, that basically how it look. This is the behind the package right here. Okay guys, so basically this is the product right here. As you can see, we have 3 different charging panel right here. This is for the mobile phone, this is for your watch, and also your earpod right here. It can be your earpod pro or any one of your earpod that support wireless charging. So guys, remember that once your device has to support wireless charging before it can work on this device right here. So check to ensure that your device support wireless charging, and also bear in mind that you should remove your phone from the case, or any case at all, whether it be your phone, whether it be your watch or your earpod. So basically I'm gonna charge it up right now to let you guys see how it works. So I'm gonna get my USB right here, and it basically plug into right here. So let me fold it and place it into right here. And always guys, remember to use your original charging brick whenever you're charging this device. So once you plug it in guys, it will have a blue light coming on, and after the blue light will come off once you plug it in into the power device, as you guys can see earlier when I just plug in this. So basically I'm gonna put my device on it right now to test it out to see if it's actually charging. So I'm gonna fold it out. So I'm gonna place my earpod pro onto it right now. So as you guys can see right there, there's a little red light right here. That means this is charging, and this also indicate the light. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to place my mobile phone onto this as well. So as you guys can see, I'm going to place it onto it, and it should be charging right fine. So if you guys have any watch that you can place right here, you can also place a watch right here to charge it. And this light indicate right here which of the device is working. As you guys can see, there's a blue light right here, and there's a blue light over here. That means these 2 panels is basically charging the device. I don't have any watch to place on it right now. So basically on the watch panel right here, you can basically flip this out like this, and you can basically charge your device onto it right here. Just place it onto that. So guys, on the case right here, it also give you a reminder that please remove your cell phone case before charging. So guys, this basically incompatible with the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch, it will not work with this device right here. So this basically can fold. I love how this can fold into different design if you want to charge different things at once. So basically, if you want to charge only your AirPod right here, you can basically fold into one like this and place your AirPod onto it like there. As you guys can see, the red light is basically charging. So you can fold it into different section in which you want device that you're charging. So if I want to charge only my cell phone right there, I can basically fold it and place my mobile device onto it like that, like so. These two in right here, so I can basically put my mobile into on the place and it right here on the side, fold like this. So basically I can rotate it into different side that you want. You can place it into this side right here, onto this side right here, and onto this side right here, and basically charge different device depending on the type of device that you're charging. So guys, so basically for this charger to work, ensure that your device is kept plugged in for it to basically charge your device right here, because if you basically unplug it, it will not charge, because this device right here does not hold charge, because it does not contain any battery inside right here which holds charge. So basically you have to have your cable plugged into this for this to work and charge your device. So please bear that in mind. So guys, there you have it. This is the wireless charging, and this is from Hicober. I hope you guys enjoy this product. I hope you guys find this review very useful. So thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.